In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth device with your Apple Watch. So first of all, we have to turn on the Bluetooth device. So just go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth device first of all by pressing the power button. Once the Bluetooth device turn on, now go to your Apple Watch and press the crown to go to your app settings. In settings, you have to scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. And first of all, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth option. And in here, it may take some moments to search the device. Now here we can see my headphone name are showing. Just tap on connect. So first of all, I'm going to disconnect the device and then I'm tapping on the device name. And we can see the device successfully connected with my Apple Watch. Now you can easily use the Bluetooth headphones for your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.